Good morning, all of you. Myself Rajulal Soni. Welcome again in our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about discovery of nucleus and on the basis of presence or absence of nucleus type of cell. ये बात मैं बहुत अच्छे से कह देना चाहता हूँ अब आपको कि जो पूरा लिविंग वर्ल्ड है वो डिपेंड ही न्यूक्लियस पे करता है। न्यूक्लियस की प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस के बेसिस पे ही हमारी ये पूरी बायोलॉजी स्टार्ट होने जा रही है और टॉपिक का नाम है प्रोकार्योटिक एंड यूकार्योटिक सेल। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल न्यूक्लियस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम बात करें व्हाट इज न्यूक्लियस। लुक एंड लिसन मी। ये आपका स्कूल कैंपस है और स्कूल कैंपस में क्लासरूम्स हैं। ये क्लासरूम, रिसेप्शन, प्लेग्राउंड एंड गार्डन एंड एक्सेट्रास, इन सबको एक बड़े कैंपस में सिचुएटेड करा है अपन ने। और इतने बड़े कैंपस में सिचुएटेड करने के बाद भी हमने क्या करा, इन सबको कंट्रोल करने के लिए एक अलग से रूम बना रखा है। ये रहा। इस रूम में बैठा हुआ है कौन? प्रिंसिपल। Now I want to say that a principal which is situated in a room which can control all of the classrooms and all of the other areas of the school. How it is possible? Yes, it is possible. Principal will play a bell, will ring a bell, and someone will come into the office and he will give to the message, then that message will go to the further room and that work will be done which should be demanded by principal. It means a principal can control all over the rooms of the campus and that is the boundary of the campus. Now I am erasing, now I am deleting the boundary of principal room. Okay. It means principal room is not available now. It means now I want to say that principal is present but principal room is absent. Who will control? Principal will control, but principal room is not situated. Now there is no classified particular place where principal can sit and principal can say, we can say that there is a particular place which is controlled by the campus. It means this room is very essential. In that manner, cells are controlled. Suppose that now it is a cell and this is the campus of the cell and there is a centralized system which controls the cells and cell organelles. These are the cell organelles such like that mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, etc. These are the cell organelles. These cell organelles are controlled by a centralized system. This centralized system is known as nucleus. This centralized system is known as nucleus. So this centralized system is known as nucleus and this nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in 1831. Shape. Usually the shape of nucleus may be spherical or oval. Location. Where nucleus is situated. Usually location is center of cell. मैं बार बार टर्म काम में ले रहा हूँ यूजुअली। ऐसा होता है, जरूरी नहीं है कि ऐसा हो। After it, what is the main function of nucleus? Nucleus contain genetic material. It contain genetic material and it controls the cell function. So who controls the function of cell? Nucleus controls the function of cell. After it, we are going further. This is the cell. This is the nucleus. Nucleus contains genetic material. What is the genetic material? Genetic material is components which controls the genetic characters from parents to child. We will discuss further about it. अब जो न्यूक्लियस हैं उसमें क्या होता है, न्यूक्लियस के चारों ओर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन होती है ऐसे. और जो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन है उसके अंदर एक मटेरियल भरा होता है. देयर इज न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. दिस इज न्यूक्लियर membrane. Inside the nuclear membrane there is a liquid situated known as nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleoplasm there is chromatin and there is a small structure spherical in shape, that is nucleolus. This is a well developed nucleus. Well developed nucleus. This well developed nucleus, whenever present in a cell, then that cell is known as eukaryotic cell. If there is a nucleus is situated but there is no boundary of the nucleus, then when we say that there is nucleus is present but nuclear membrane is absent, due to that we can say in another language there is a undeveloped or undeveloped nucleus is present. In that manner this type of cell is known as prokaryotic cell. So what is prokaryotic cell? A cell which have a lack of well developed nucleus is known as prokaryotic cell, and a cell who have a well developed nucleus with nuclear membrane is known as eukaryotic cell. What are the examples of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Examples of prokaryotic cell is only and only member of Monera. बार बार ये टर्म आ रही है अपने पास, member of Monera. Actually Monera means bacteria. Okay. Eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell examples: member of Protista, member of fungi, member of Plantae means plants, and member of Animalia, that means animals. Thank you.